My name is Prithvi. So I'm here in Roboprenr. My son Nikhil is part of Roboprenr, and I'm very thankful to Roboprenr, whoever has actually set this up, for setting up such a wonderful environment where students can learn. So my son is especially very interested in electronics. So sometimes he actually stops playing just because it's waste of time and he needs to learn electronics. So I was also searching a lot on what would be the best platform where I can give that opportunity for him to learn. And fortunately, by God's grace, I got in touch with Roboprenr. So in here, right, definitely there's lots of practical knowledge that a kid gets, and definitely my son anyway had that urge to study. So it is very nice that this initiative or this way of working or teaching has been brought up, because I believe in innovation. So at least in India, all that we are taught or learned is theory. The more memory you have, the more marks you get, and you're being considered as intelligent. But that's not what I believe. And I believe that option of innovation, respect to how much marks you get, is what Roboprenr is actually doing. And thanks to the team for putting in whatever invest they have actually put, which gives a very which gives the foundation for people to think. Because if you set the foundation, you will get that required wisdom wherein you could learn and you could also innovate. Alright, so thanks for thank you.